Honey, moving is hard and can be very stressful. But today I'm going to share a few tips and tricks I've learned over the years to make your next move easier. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. Word on the streets, honey, is Big D and I are moving to Florida. So join us on this epic adventure as we move most of our belongings to our new retirement home in Florida. So let's jump right into it. Moving boxes can be expensive, especially when you need a lot of them. Tip number 1, go to your local supermarket or liquor store. They have boxes for free and all you can take. Also, newspapers and store flyers, free for the taking. All you have to do is ask the manager. The other items I'm going to be using are the cellophane wrap, plenty of tape, paper towels, and foam plates. So let's jump right into it. I got these boxes from the supermarket, and they are wine boxes, and I'm going to use them to pack up my glassware. So I have a couple, and then plenty of old newspapers, and then I'm going to start wrapping and packing all of my glassware. So let's get to it. So because your girl does table scapes, I have a lot more dishware than regular foam. Tip number 2 is awesome. Stacking foam plates between your dinnerware protects them from breaking and scratching. And it's so much quicker than wrapping each individual plate. I took a bath mat and just folded it in half to cushion the bottom of the box. All right. First box is done. And then I write it on the side as well, so if the boxes are stacked, I can still see what's in it. And for some of these smaller pieces, I use paper towels, and that works very good. I'll let you know how it worked out on the other end. And just because I had some clean linen sitting here that had been washed, I decided to use that to cushion the bottom of my box. So that's another tip. Use pieces that you already have. I hope you found today's tips and tricks for moving and packing useful, and you can incorporate them into your next move. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Honey, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Please continue watching to the end because I have a few more tips for you. And I'll see you in the next video. I just took some paper towels and simply cut them in half, and I'm gonna use these for this little I'm not even sure, plate rack that I have that I use for you know, when I'm entertaining. This one's cracked, as appetizer plates. Now, this is how I travel with this moving here. So let's hope that it works. Again, this has lasted through all of my moves. From New York to Pennsylvania, from one spot in Pennsylvania to another. This little roll of cellophane, and I'm not even sure I remember where I got it. It might have been like Home Depot or something, but literally it has lasted through all of my moves. And like I said, this is the exact same way I move with it here. I just wrap this whole thing up with the holder, and everything made it intact. They didn't break until they get here. So there you go. Very useful item to have. I also have this one for wrapping my drawers. And let me just show you this real quick. Counter are all the things that I took out of my cabinet. But for my tea kettles, I did the same thing. I put the top end upside down and then just wrap the whole thing. This helps it not to break and also keeps the top intact with the item.